Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I miss you all. So here is my visual representation of my reflective journey throughout our course. So here I have a torn paper mountain landscape. Now, yes, I did find this on Pinterest. And I was actually inspired by Megan, so thank you, Megan, and her leadership turn on art-based research when she asked us to kind of create our own representation. This is kind of what I made, and currently I'm at the lake, so I don't have any materials to make my own. So I kind of found the next best thing. So I guess in the beginning, as I reflect, I thought I had an idea of what research was, and it turns out after our first few classes, I had to essentially go back to the beginning and start my process from a blank canvas in terms of my understanding of what research was, because I really didn't know where to start. So I imagine starting this activity or this craft from a blank canvas with just a blue piece of paper, a white piece of paper, whatever it may be. So then as the weeks went on, my knowledge and understanding of educational research began to develop and build, and the different layers in this torn paper mountain landscape signify the layering of my understanding. So each week, the various topics we covered would build on top of one another. As I imagined myself making my own torn paper mountain landscape, I would include several layers, as it felt like we explored a lot of topics during the course of this class. So I also think that the ups and downs of the mountain signify the highs and lows I experience. So here we have these ones or those ones, whatever it may be. So some weeks I felt extremely engaged and interested in diving deeper into the material, while other weeks felt a little bit more challenging and my motivation was quite low. Maybe I just wasn't connecting with the literature we had to read, or other things were going on, and a lot of highs and lows were experienced. And I mean, kind of what we're going through right now is a little bit of a low, but that's okay. Miss you guys. So again, the bumpiness also of the torn paper, so all of this right here, since again you're ripping it, signifies the bumpiness of educational research, and that although education is systematic, as Stenhouse would define it, and follows a linear structure, there are still bumps in the road that researchers will encounter. So, and I feel like, researchers do have to go back and revisit a lot of it, and it's not really smooth research. So in the end, after tearing, layering, designing, and building, a beautiful cohesive landscape is created. Just like each of our own journeys throughout this course, each torn paper mountain landscape picture would all turn out to be very unique. So right here, there's two pictures. Neither of them look the exact same. And I always think about my kids doing this. I don't think anyone would make theirs the same, even if they tried. So again, just like our definitions and our reflective journeys throughout this course, I don't think we all have the exact same perceptions, although we might try because we were experiencing the same course. It's all going to be different. All right. So I hope you enjoyed my little screencast. Haven't done these in a while, but again, miss you all, and hopefully we can talk soon. Bye, guys.